Let's say we want to graph a transformation of a tangent or cotangent function. Well, keep in mind that the period of tangent and cotangent is pi. So when we multiply our x by k, we then have a period of pi over k. So this is similar to sine and cosine, but instead of dividing 2 pi by k, we're only dividing pi by k. So let's work through this transformation. Graph y equals tangent of the quantity 2x plus pi over 2. And so first thing we have to remember is that we want to make this tangent of 2 times x plus pi over 4. So that's our first step, is take that 2 out. And so now we first do the transformation x plus pi over 4. So when we do that, we get negative 1 pi over 4, negative pi over 3 plus pi over 4 gives us negative pi over 12. Negative pi over 4 plus pi over 4 gives us 0. Negative pi over 6 plus pi over 4, pi over 12. 0 plus a fourth gives us pi over 4. Pi over 6 plus a fourth gives us 5 pi over 12. Pi over 4 plus pi over 4 gives us pi over 2. Pi over 3 plus pi over 4 gives us 7 pi over 12. And pi over 2 plus pi over 4 gives us 3 pi over 4. Next, we need to multiply this column by 2. So we get negative pi over 2, negative pi over 6, 0, pi over 6, pi over 2, 5 pi over 6. We get pi, 7 pi over 6, and 3 pi over 2. So finally we need to find the tangent at each of these locations. So tangent of negative pi over 2 is undefined. Tangent of negative pi over 6 is negative square root of 3 over 3. Tangent of 0 is 0. Tangent of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 3. Tangent of pi over 2 is undefined. Tangent of 5 pi over 6, that is the same as tangent negative pi over 6, so negative square root of 3 over 3. Pi is going to give, that's the same, pi is the same as 0, so that is 0. At 7 pi over 6, that is the same as pi over 6, so square root of 3 over 3. And 3 pi over 2 is the same as pi over 2, so that gives us undefined. So now we can take these values in this column, and those are going to be our y values, and graph them with these x values. So graphing these values, at negative pi over 2 we are undefined. So we have an asymptote. At negative pi over 3, we're at negative square root of 3 over 3. At negative pi over 4, we are at 0. At negative pi over 6, we are at square root of 3 over 3. And at 0, we are undefined, so we have another asymptote. At pi over 6, we're at negative square root of 3 over 3. At pi over 4, we're at 0. At pi over 3, we're at square root of 3 over 3. And at pi over 2, we are undefined again, so we have another asymptote. So our graph of this tangent function looks like this. So notice that we have shrank our graph horizontally by 2 and also moved it over by pi over 4. Find the graph of y equals 2 times cotangent of 3x. First, let's find the period. So the period is pi divided by k. In this case, our k is 3, so our period is going to be pi over 3. Our first step in our transformation is to multiply x by 3. So 0 times 3 is 0, pi over 6 times 3 is pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi, 9 pi over 4, 5 pi over 2, and 3 pi. Then we take each of those values we just got and find the cotangent. So cotangent of 0 is undefined. Cotangent of pi over 2 is 0. Cotangent of 3 pi over 4 is negative 1. Cotangent of pi is undefined. Cotangent of 3 pi over 2 is the same as cotangent of pi over 2, which is 0. Cotangent of 2 pi equals cotangent of pi, which is undefined. Cotangent of 9 pi over 4 is the same as cotangent of pi over 4, which is 1. And cotangent of 5 pi over 2 is the same as cotangent of pi over 2, which is 0. And cotangent of 3 pi is the same as cotangent of pi, which is undefined. So let's plot these values then. Now we need to multiply each of these values by 2. So 2 times undefined is still undefined. 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 2, undefined, 0, undefined, 2, 0, undefined. Now to plot these points, at 0 we're undefined. At pi over 6 we're 0. At pi over 4 we are negative 2. At pi over 3 we are undefined. So filling that one in. At pi over 2 we are 0. And at 2 pi over 3 we are undefined. At 3 pi over 4 we are at 2. At 5 pi over 6, 0. And at pi we are undefined. So drawing in, we might need more points to figure exactly what these look like, but this is what our graph should look like. And we can verify that by graphing this on our calculator. So graphing this on our calculator, we're going to enter in our y plot 2 times quantity 1 divided by tangent of 3x. Because we don't have a cotangent button on our calculator, but remember that cotangent is 1 divided by tangent. So we have 2 times 1 divided by tangent of 3x. And graphing that. So here we have our graph, and that's exactly what we got. So it looks like we're good.